As cat owners, we know that litter boxes can be a hassle to maintain. Not to mention, they take up valuable space in our homes. So what if we told you that there's a way to train your cat to use the toilet just like a human? It may sound too good to be true, but it's possible with some patience and persistence. The first step to training your cat to use the toilet is to make sure they're comfortable with the bathroom environment. Start by placing their litter box near the toilet so they can associate the two spaces together. Once they feel comfortable using the litter box next to the toilet, start gradually elevating the litter box until it's level with the toilet seat. Next, purchase a special training seat that fits over the toilet bowl and features a small hole in the center for your cat to use. Place the training seat on top of the toilet and fill it with a small amount of litter. Encourage your cat to use the new space by gradually reducing the amount of litter in their old litter box. Be sure to praise your cat each time they successfully use the toilet. Positive reinforcement is key to ensuring they continue using the toilet instead of reverting back to their old habits. It's important to note that not all cats will be successful with toilet training. Some may prefer using a litter box or simply refuse to cooperate. In these cases, it's best to respect your cat's preferences and stick with traditional litter box methods. Another thing to consider is the potential messes that come with toilet training. Accidents will happen during the training process, so it's important to keep cleaning supplies handy and be patient with your furry friend. Overall, toilet training your cat is possible with the right mindset and approach. While it may take some time and effort, the benefits of having a cat that uses the toilet are worth it. Imagine never having to scoop litter again or worrying about your cat tracking litter all over the house. Toilet training your cat is a process that requires patience, persistence, and positive reinforcement. While not all cats will be successful with this method, it's definitely worth trying if you're tired of dealing with litter box maintenance. Who knows? Maybe your cat will surprise you with their new potty skills.